The first thing is that gold is at its lowest since the past 15 months. Now, what does this mean? Well, gold is a commodity. And some people tend to invest in gold when we have, for example, large amounts of inflation, or when we just basically don't really believe in the dollar. So if you're telling me, Tommy, aren't we worried about inflation and the strength of the dollar? So why would gold be down? Shouldn't it be up? Well, the answer is it should be up. However, though, because the Fed, the Treasury, is planning to basically go ahead and increase rates, which basically means it becomes harder to actually borrow money, which in some way strengthens basically the dollar and then kind of like halts inflation in a sense. Well, guess what? It means that eventually that's going to basically slow the growth of gold. So if you're wondering, Tommy, why is this happening? It's because basically the Fed is saying that they're potentially going to go ahead and raise the entire rate. So look forward to that when it actually happens. However, though, guys, there's something very important here. Tommy, does this matter to me? Do I care if gold is going up or if it's going down? The answer is you care if you have money invested into it. But even if you are a gold investor and you believe in it and it's like your commodity, your go-to when you don't believe in the dollar and all this stuff, well, in reality, if you really have this very strong suit towards gold and the commodity, well, it's the time right now to just go ahead and basically buy the dip, right? So you buy right now at a discount, and that way you kind of get to have your money grow over the long term. However, in my opinion, if you ask me, Tommy, would you go ahead and invest money into gold? The answer is no, not really. Not really at all. Gold is a commodity, meaning, for example, I can have maybe like 3 bars of gold. It doesn't do nothing, doesn't produce anything. I can't do anything with it. And as Warren Buffett used to say, basically, all you can do is basically fondle it or just touch it, kiss it, but it's not really doing anything. Now, I do want to say something though, because sometimes what your investors or your mentors say are basically contrary to some of the things they do. Am I saying, for example, that gold is always a bad investment? The answer is no, because even, for example, I think it was in the year 2000s, I don't know where it was actually, but you had Warren Buffett that actually bought a bunch of silver because he understood the market, what was going to happen, and he basically did it. He didn't really sound so happy about it, but he did it. Okay, so meaning if you really understand the commodity market, you know what's going on, and you see an opportunity, it's fine. But as an investor, again, you're not taking my advice or Warren Buffett's advice. You're actually just kind of combining everything and then forming your own thesis to why you should invest or not invest into gold or whatever you actually want to invest into. Okay, guys?
You've got to stop.